Everyone, hopefully you all are fine and working good. In this session, we are going to learn more and more about the SQL query language. Now we are moving towards delete statement in SQL, how to delete record or raw in SQL. There's a is similarity between select and delete, which there is a similarity between select and delete in terms of syntax of rule, but much huge difference as select fetches data and deleting data or record in your database. Before starting our next session, before starting this session, it is good for me and yours to describe our channel, which is Virtual Pro. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe our channel, and give feedback how much, so that we will motivate and know what you feel and what you want from us. So now let's start our this session. First of all, I use select SQL database, that is I already use and done before. Now I am using select static command from ERP table name. Now you may see that there is a 88 records and rows, and currently we are deleting only one record. We may delete more record if we want. Now I am typing the delete statement, delete static delete from ERP wish list where ID equal to 70. Now I am specifying ID in this query to delete which record I want to delete. You may also use other fields, but it is recommended if you want to specify only one record to delete. So to you and use primary key or unique key. As I am currently deleting 17 row number or 15 row number and 17 ID record, so I use ID that is equal to 70. If I want to delete from other by using other field, then I can first check it through select statement, because if any record is deleted, you can't retrieve it until and unless you have backup of your database. And in live environment, you can't take backup of every moment. So it is better and recommended that first apply whole methodology and records by using select statement. This is practice you may follow for delete and update commands. I can delete this whole record by using this. I just copy and paste, and when I execute this delete command or statement, it will delete whole file record. But currently I am not doing this. I am first deleting it by ID to know to learn. I am first currently this by doing ID and think what will happen, and let's see what will happen. Now I am executing this. It gives me one row affected. It will never give you the whole result or by using by in tabular form. Only select statement will show you the whole result in tabular form. Otherwise all statement or all commands, that is update, delete and insert, will only highlight you how many rows affected. This message is delivered by SQL server, whatever you want. If you want Oracle, if you are working on MySQL, if you are working on any other environment, same thing will be happen. Same environment will give you how many rows affected in delete, update and insert command. So now we are checking is it deleted or not. Yeah, it is deleted because the whole record is shown, the number of records shown is 4, while and there is no 17 ID record available. Now I am deleting the whole values by just this query, and you can see that whole 4 rows are deleted at one time. Now you may see that 4 rows are affected. Affected means these are all deleted and permanently. You cannot retrieve it until and unless you have the backup, and you have to restore them. Now I am using select command. Now you can see there is no 0 rows available by using this select command. We may use this and select. No, there is no 17 record, 18 record ID available. So hope you are learn that how we can use delete command, how now in next session we are more learn about SQL, and there are more sessions are waiting to learn SQL joins, inner join, and how many joins are in SQL, and there is more SQL job, user rights and user management plan, and there's much more things we can have already prepared in our and we are moving to step by step learn learn these things step by step. That for now we are ending this session. Please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel, that is Virtual Pro, and give feedback. Thanks.